so sorry. Someone else is calling. Who the fuck are you? Who is this?
Hello?
Who's the immature little kid that's fucking playing these goddamn recordings, trying to freak us out?
Hello!
Oh my god! I'm a cum guzzler. I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock.
Oh my god, you killed Kitty! You bastard!
I'm a cum guzzler. I worship your cock.
Hello?
I love it to guzzle that
This
cum.
is George. George Abdwango Dungo. You
I'm
can give
the
me
girl
one
for
piece
you.
of rupees and your bank details. We can...
I'm Nelson Mandela.
Nelson
I'm the girl
Mandela?
for you.
I'm Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela is fake. He's a Nelson Mandela.
I
He's
love the
great.
nice big cock in my mouth.
He's great. He's got a big penis.
I must be popular with the boys.
It's quite renowned, his penis. Have you seen the gherkin in London? That's modelled on his penis. It's great.
Who is this?
I don't know. Who's this?
Frank Gary?
This is... nobody.
I'm a cum guzzler.
I'm a summer philosopher.
You have entered the Twilight Zone.
I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock.
Giggity, giggity, giggity.
I love it to guzzle that cum.
Please, I want 5 license too, and fly, and yeah,
No, solving them. I think it's fine. I want fried ice.
You always want fly.
It's not fried ice, it's fried rice, you bitch.
Quick. Bullsack noodle.
Well, it's been a pleasure talking to you, but duty calls, I need beer. So, thank you very much. Goodbye. Hello to the payphone.
I'm a cum guzzler. I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock. I love it to guzzle that cum. I love the nice big cock in my mouth. I must be popular with the boys. Who is this?
It's a bird going like that. Being very popular.
Are you popular?
I'm a cum guzzler. I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock.
Excellent.
I love the nice big cock in my mouth.
Yes, she does big cock. You want to talk to her?
I'm sorry, but we're not going to speak to you any longer.
Fuck me. Do you want to trace it?
No, not really.
Man, you just make me so horny like some 50-year-old guy.
Excellent. You have a fun night too.
Do you know how old I am?
Hello?
Hello? I'm a
What?
cum guzzler. I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock. Can you please squeeze my nose? I must be popular with the boys. I worship your cock.
worship my cock.
I love it to guzzle that cum.
Oh, I.
I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock. Fuck me. Do you know how old I am?
Where are you?
Man, you just make me so horny like some 50-year-old guy. Do you want to trace it? Man, you just make me so horny. Like, are you that lonely? How old are you?
Yeah, where are you?
Who is this?
Who's that?
Who is this? Who the fuck are you?
On fait comme ça, genre... nous on fait tous comme ça, là.
Hello? Who is this? What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house?
Regardez, là, il y a des trucs.
Who the fuck are you? Like, who the fuck do you think you are? Hello?
Hello?
I'm a cum guzzler. I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock.
Senti, mi stanno parlando.
Unless she's popular with the boys.
Hey, how are you?
What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house?
Hello?
Hello? I love it to guzzle.com. I'm the girl for you. I always suck the cum right out of the cock.
I don't understand.
Peterborough? Fuck me.
What's it?
Man, you just make me so horny like some 50-year-old guy. You are that horny.
This is the front station,
Who
planetary
the fuck
station.
are you?
Look at you.
Can you please squeeze my nose?
Girl. I need
I
my
love
girl.
the
The
nice big
beautiful
cock
girl.
mine up. Unless she's popular with the boys.
You're a beautiful girl?
Mm.
Hmm?
I worship your cock.
I want.
Fuck me.
But,
you know how old I
don't
am?
speak good English. Sorry, darling.
Do you know how old I am?
Huh?
Man, you just make me so horny like some 50-year-old guy. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm sorry, darling.
So you want my address?
No.
Do you actually know how to life?
How many years you have?
17.
What database?
Mm.
My English no good.
I'm an effing addict.
What's your name?
I love the nice big cock in my mouth.
Sorry, darling.
Mm.
Bye, then. Bye.
Do you actually know how to life?
Sorry, bye-bye.
Oh my god, you are a
Yes? Hello?
Hello? I'm a cum guzzler. I love it to guzzle.com.
What you want?
I am going to drink the cum. I love the nice big cock in my mouth. I'm the girl for you. I always suck the cum right out of the cock. Mm.
Okay.
I worship
Sorry.
your cock.
Oh, it's loud here. I'm not from London, sorry.
Fuck me.
I give you my secretary.
Hello. Who is this? Like, who the fuck do you think you are? What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house? Fuck you. Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck you yourself.
Oh my god, you are a 50-year-old fucking lady. Stop pretending that you are 13 and fucking immature, buddy. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
I'm a cum guzzler. I'm the girl for you. I always suck the cum right out of the cock.
What?
Man, you just make me so horny like some 50-year-old guy.
Really?
I'm the girl for you. I love the nice big cock in my mouth. Can you please squeeze my nose? Mm. I love it to guzzle.com.
Really?
I am going to drink the cum.
Really?
Do you know how old I am?
Really?
How old are you?
Really?
How old are you? Yeah.
60.
You're the immature little shit. Yeah. Who the fuck are you?
Who the fuck are you?
Frank Gary?
Who are you?
I'm a cum guzzler. I worship your cock. Unless she's popular with the boys.
Can I kill you?
Yeah. Mm. I love the nice big cock in my mouth. Hello?
Hello.
I am going to drink the cum.
You could never drink my cum.
I'm the girl for you. You are that lonely. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who is this?
Your mother.
What?
I'm your mother.
You scared my little sister last time you called. So why don't you just stop, get a life, or I'll call the police, okay?
Get life yourself.
Called her house 4 times this morning. In what, I'd say about an 8-minute period. Do you even have a goddamn life?
Does your mother have a life?
What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house? Who are the immature little shits that are calling my house with this number? Maybe your mom shouldn't be putting your name over the line. So you want my address?
No.
Yes. Oh, do you want my address?
No.
Peterborough?
I know it.
No. How old are you? But you're a 40-year-old man harassing a 12-year-old. Oh my god, you are a 50-year-old fucking lady. Stop pretending that you are 13 and fucking immature, buddy. What is your life goal? To find your next hit? I'm gonna hang up now, but I'm sure it's okay because I'm sure you're gonna call back in less than 30 seconds.
Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house?
How are you?
Like, who the fuck do you think you are?
Hey.
Hello?
Hola?
Do you actually not have a life? I'm a cum guzzler. I love to guzzle that cum. I am going to drink the cum. Can you please squeeze my nose?
Hola?
I love the nice big cock in my mouth. Look me. Do you know how old I am? Man, you just make me so horny, like some 50-year-old guy.
Oh, in English no, eh?
How old are you? Fuck me. Who is this? Who is this? Who the fuck are you?